Hey, sneakylinux back today. Today we've got the Debian Lxde live CD. Yes, a live CD, just basically to test LXD. So if you was interested in running LXD on your system using Debian, you could mosey on over here, download the ISO, which is around about 400 meg, so you're getting near a Lubuntu land there, really, aren't you, for an ISO size. But if you just want basic Debian and not Ubuntu, you can give it a try here. There probably is a way to install it, but I didn't use it long enough to actually do that. Although I have installed the LXD version of Debian before using a different ISO. I think that was about 580, that ISO. Comes with Iceweasel as its browser. Remember, it's live CD. You get the full open office. So they could have made it quite a lot smaller. They could have made it around about 350, 300. You get LeafPad, LX terminal, root terminal. So X archiver is in there. And that's basically all you get. So you can sort by name. You can change some desktop settings. There you go, look. You can change different colours on your desktoppies. So you get blue, green and red, as you normally would do. So we'll try red. I think we'll try a bit of rouge. Oh yeah. Oh. Click OK. Obviously it's Debian. I'll tell you what, even though it's live CD, super bleeding fast. It's faster than my fasty things. So yeah, very nice. Don't know how to read so much. Hey, but I'm getting old in my old age, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. So we're going to change it back to the blue. Click on open. OK, and off we go. We're back to the blue. Now you're thinking, oh, is that all I can do? Well, no. If you've got quite a reasonable new system, or even not so reasonable actually, you can actually install some stuff, and I'll show you how to do that in a second. There you go. Look, I'm just showing you a bit more around Open Office and all that. Look, oh, some picture viewers there as well, didn't you, before? Because I was too busy talking, and some other stuff as well. Why they put the full Open Office on? I'll never know. Anyway, so say you want to do some stuff. Now I've done this in the video before for Debian. Put in sudo apt-get, we'll install, I'm typing slow as you can see, and synaptic. Okay, I'm going to do that, my C goes in the end, click OK, blum 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 blum, and it zooms away. Do I want to continue? Well, of course I do. So if you look around at all the stuff it's going to install, it's not very big at all. It's only 14.3 megabytes of space it's going to use up, and bearing in mind I've got 4 gig of RAM here, ain't too bad for me, is it, on this machine? So anyway, what we'll do, go OK, wait for it to start downloading. Yes, super fast. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Done. It will start installing into your RAM. Here we go. Unpack all the triggers. And in a few moments' time, you should be able to open Synaptic Package Manager, which most of you will know. If you don't, keep watching, as they say. So waiting. We're waiting still. Setting up the scroller, doing the setting up that and all. And it's setting up that. And it's doing that, and we're done. Really lovely. So there you go, CPU's gone down to 0 again. And basically, we can get rid of the terminal window. So we click there to get rid of it. We'll go down to the menu again, which is always on the left-hand side down at the bottom. Not in accessories, it would be in system tools. Go down, Synaptic Package Manager is here. So quite familiar to most of you, isn't it, when you think about it? Right, it needs updating, so you can reload it. Reload, don't fade away. Reload, don't fade away. And you wait for it to do all the business. There we go, all done. And Synaptic, in theory, should be up to date. Now, I think this version is based on Debian Lxde, so it's not super new, but it works, doesn't it? I'm sure there'll be a squeeze one soon. Anyway, so I'm going to look for a couple of things just to show you that it actually works and they're not lying to you. So anyway, there we go. VLC, I chopped him, and VLC is there. Super duper. So you could actually do it from here if you really wanted to. But ideally, old system, install it, no worries. But get the bigger ISO, I think, next time. Or just do a net install, would be even better, wouldn't it? A net install, anybody ever tried them? Can take some time, but if you've got a fast internet connection, no big deal, really. Hey. So I'm going to open Iceweasel up. Iceweasel is just a rebadged browser, basically. Wait a little while. There we go. Looks okay, doesn't it? I've used it before on other distros, so it works super fine. Don't worry about it. It works. We'll go to Lxde, and we'll go to the Lxde site, I think. So we'll click on there. Wait for it to get to the site. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And there we go. lxde.org. Then you can have a look around the site, go into blogs and whatever you want to do. Or you can go here for Debian Live CD. So this is where I got it from, basically. You can save the file. Just download it. It took me around about 8 minutes on my connection. But if you're on a slow connection, it could take about half an hour. It ain't too bad still, is it? But you can learn all the stuff about LXD and some extras and what they're working on, etc., etc., etc. But yeah, there's plenty there. So if you're really into it, give it a go. So yeah, if you really want to give Lxde a go but don't want to install it, get the Debian CD. Nice. Sneaky Linux is going to school in a minute to pick the kids up. See you later. Bye.